Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract. Combine these in a large bowl, whisking until the sugar fully dissolves. This simple base is the foundation for many delightful frozen treats. Ensure everything is well mixed before moving to the next step for the best results. For our easy ice cream, you will need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. The heavy cream provides the essential richness, while the whole milk helps achieve a smooth, scoopable texture. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting taste. You can also experiment with other extracts or additions later. These basic ingredients are all you need for a fantastic base. Once your ingredients are mixed, pour the liquid into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for 1 hour, then remove and stir vigorously to prevent large ice crystals from forming. Repeat this stirring process every 30 to 45 minutes for approximately 3 to 4 hours. This manual method mimics the churning action of an ice cream maker, resulting in a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture. Patience is key here for the best outcome. Now for the fun part, customizing your flavors. Feel free to mix in chocolate chips, fresh fruit purees, or crushed cookies during the last hour of freezing. For storage, transfer your finished ice cream to an airtight container to maintain its freshness and prevent freezer burn. You can enjoy your delicious, homemade creation for up to 2 weeks. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Happy scooping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.